Hello everyone! Ako, I'm so excited today. Andito ako actually not as a vlogger, but as a dog lover. Gusto ko makitang mag-perform dito yung mga German Shepherd, Rottweiler, Doberman, Belgian Malinois at saka yung Giant Schnauzer. Meron daw dito ngayon. Meron sila rito ngayong IGP trial test kung saan itetest nila yung temperament, character, courage, trainability, at yung willingness to work itong maastig na aso na to. Kaya huwag na tayong magpatagal pa. Dito na yung mga handler ng mga aso. Tara, samahan niyo ako manood dito. Excited talaga ako ngayon. At sa mga gustong magpa-pet boarding, magpa-train, andyan po ang Chicks, Booze, and Dogs. Salamat po kay Ma'am Ivy at saka kay Sir Mike. Siyempre kay Sir Norman na nag-invite sa akin dito. Alam nila, dog lover ako kaya andito naman si Tutay. Salamat, Chicks, Booze, and Dogs. Let's go! Abangan natin yung mga dogs dito. Guys, yan ang Rottweiler.
House. Sit.
Bale, total of 7 dogs ang nag-join sa IGP trial test na ito. IGP training, foundation training for a lot of police service dogs.
First gunshot. Second gunshot. Talaga namang focus siya sa kanyang handler, sa kanyang owner. Wow! Nice. Nice.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.
This is figure 8 healing. Ito yung mag-form ng 8. Si Doggy, iikot siya sa mga tao na nakagrupo. Kailangan concentrated siya at hindi siya madidistract sa mga taong nakatayo. Dito sa part na to, nakijoin ako sa figure 8. Isa ako doon sa mga iikutan ni German Shepherd. This is Wednesday. Babae itong GSD na to. In fairness dead man talaga siya, concentrated siya kay handler. Talagang di niya kami pinapansin. Nice, di ba?
Ayan, inihagis. Alright? Bring. Bring is the magic word. Kinuha na ni GSD, ayun. Aba, at dahan-dahan pa siyang lumalapit doon kay handler.
And so, lahat ng mga dogs na nag-join sa IGP trial test na ito, lahat ng mga pinakita natin, dinaanan nila lahat yun. And, at the end of every trial, binibigyan sila ng score ng ating judge.
Okay, so we give him B, G. Total is 87.5.
Oh, thank you.
87.5.
Thank you.
So
Okay,
is
thank
M.
you.
Total is 74 points.
Etong training na to, nakakatawa kasi may story. This is called Hold and Bark. Ang story nito, The dog looks for the bad guy na nasa loob ng pink na tent. Pink talaga. When the dog finds the bad guy, he will bark to let the handler or owner know that he found him. And then, the bad guy will try to escape, and then on his own, si dog will try to stop the bad guy from getting away. After all the trials, nagtatali na ng score si Madam Judge. Na-amaze talaga ako sa mga dogs na nag-join. They are really exceptional. How I wish meron akong dog na kasing galing nila. And the winner is Wednesday. Siya yung babae na German Shepherd.
Hi, Wednesday! Sir Mike, si Wednesday ay trained sa Chicks, Bulls, and Dogs.
Yes.
Yan. Si Sir Mike po ang owner, di ba, Sir Mike,
Yes.
ng Chicks? Sir Mike, ano na update natin? How much na ang pagkapatraining ngayon ng dogs?
For the house pet, it's 25,000 for 30 days.
Okay.
And then for the sport, it's 5,000 a month.
Mhm.
But it's long term.
Long term,
Yes,
okay.
long term siya. So they have to ask, they have to call us, and then we'll give the number sa mga head trainers. So we have Agility, IGP, and Monju.
Okay.
And soon, French ring.
Ayan, nakadisplay po ang kanilang contact number kung sila pwedeng matawagan. Sir Mike, how about po yung inyong pet boarding? How much po ngayon?
Ang pet boarding is 1,000 pesos for the large breed, extra large breed.
That's per day or?
Per day.
Per day, 1,000 for the large breed, which are German Shepherd, mga ganon.
So mga Labrador, Golden Retriever.
Okay.
And then pag mga extra large breed, mga Cane Corso. And then for the small breed, siyempre yung mga Shih Tzu, mga Dachshund.
Pomeranian, ganyan. How much po per day?
That's 600 pesos.
Ayan. Okay, sige. Pero ako, nakita niyo yung kanilang, parang ganito yung field nila. Ganyan. Ganyan kaganda, ganyan kalaki, makakaikot yung mga si Wednesday po ay dogs ninyo. Sir, babae. And she's, how old na si Wednesday? 2 years old na siya.